Okay, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how this the unit from S&T GeoTronics works, how you encrypt messages and decrypt messages. I've got it out of the box. You can operate this either out of the box or in the box, as I said, and sometimes I prefer out of the box like this. You turn the unit on by flipping the toggle switch on the upper left hand corner, and you get the little S&T GeoTronics logo that goes across the screen. In this mode, when you press a letter on the keyboard like Q, it illuminates the corresponding letter on the lamp board here. That's not how you normally use an Enigma, of course. So let's go on to do some settings here. We'll set a message and we'll encrypt it and we'll decrypt it. Okay, you do everything by the mode button here. So we'll press the mode button, and the first mode we get into is the rotors. And for this example, we're going to set the rotors to 421. So you push the up button to go up. 4, 2, 1. And now you have to push the mode button again. And now you're going to set the outer rings. I'm sorry, the inner rings. And the inner rings we're going to set to DEF. So we'll set it to D, E, and F. Okay, now we push the mode button again, and we set the outer rings, the outer settings that you'd normally adjust from outside the machine on a real Enigma. And for this, we're going to set that to Enig, E-N-I-G. So we'll go here, E, hold it down, and it'll go quicker, E-N-I-G. Okay, now once we've set that, it's time to press mode again, and we need to set the plugs that we want to set. In this example, I'm going to use A to G. So as I've already got A here, so A to G. You hold this down until it gets to G. And then when you get the setting you want, you press the enter key here. So that sets A to G. And then H to M, H to M. So I'll advance this to where it says M. H to M. And when you get this, you press the enter key. And finally C to F. So I'll go to F, and then I'll go over here to C. And I'll press the enter key for C to F. Now our plug board is now set, so you press mode again, and you're ready to encrypt or decrypt a message. I'm just going to encrypt a message, Enigma Mark 4. So I use the keyboard to do that, and I would write down each letter as I'll just do Enigma to make it easy. E gives me an O. N gives me a C. I gives me a G. G gives a P. M gives a S. And A gives a D. Okay, so I encrypted the word Enigma to those letters, and now I'm going to decrypt that message I wrote down here. And to do that, you have to go back into your mode and reset to the outer rings, and you want to set it to what you started with, which was E-N-I-G. So we need to go back to G. E-N-I-G was our starting position. So now we go back into run mode again, and we enter our original letters. We enter the cryptogram letters, O, C, G, P, S, D, and that should give us Enigma. So O should give an E, C should give an N, G should give an I, P should give a G, S should give an M, and D should give an A. And so there's our Enigma translated. So in doing messages, the sending person you're sending this message to would have to know the exact settings that you used when you encoded this message, and that would be necessary for this simulator and in real life, of course. Okay, that's how you do it. Very simple to operate and very reliable, and I'm very pleased with it.